Hello students, in this video we will do 10 practice questions related to factorization. We can say middle term breaking, right? Now the first question, as you can see here, we have the first negative sign, right? And the second one is a positive sign. So our step says that what is the procedure to solve the middle term breaking? Step number one, that you need to multiply first and the last digits, right? So here we have coefficient is 1 and here we have 20. So when we multiply 1 with 20, it gives you 20. And here's only c square, so it's 20c square, right? So what we need to do, we need to find out two factors. When we multiply, you get 20, right? Or when we add them, right, we'll get 9. But be careful, in the middle we have a negative sign. So here it's plus 20 c square. So the product 20, right? We need two factors. When we multiply, we'll get 20. So 4, 5 are 20, right? 4 and 5. 4 5s are 20, right? And when we add them, we'll get 9. But here it's a negative sign. So as we know the rules of sign, we have plus, plus. When we multiply plus, plus, it's plus. When we multiply minus, minus, so it means it's plus, right? So what we need to do here, students, rather than taking plus, plus with these two factors, we need to take minus, minus. So minus and minus, right? So when we add them, minus, minus is plus. When we add them, we'll get minus 9, right? And here in the middle, we have minus 9c. So now distribution of variables, c square, it's here. So 1c will come with this one factor and the other factor with the other c, right? So when we add them, we'll find out the sum. So its sum gives you minus 9c, right, which is equivalent to our middle term in the question. Now we have found the two factors, and we need to split this middle minus 9c into minus 4c and minus 5c, right? How? Let's solve it. Now c square minus 9c will not come. Then what will come? The factors that we have found it, right? Okay, so it will come minus 4c and minus 5c, and the last digit will come as it is. The first and the last digit will come as it is along with your sign, but minus c you need to break into the factors that you have found, right, in the working column. This is the working column here. So now the next step that what we need to do, we need to make a pairs. So c square and minus 4c is one pair, and minus 5c and plus 20 is the another pair. To find out the highest common factor, to c square and 4c, c is the highest common factor. C square from c square, c has been divided, so we're left with c minus 4. Now here we have minus 5c plus 20. The highest common factor is 5. And when we cancel, when we divide 5c from this 5, it gives you only c. Basically minus minus is plus, so it's plus c. Minus plus. See, minus plus. Which minus plus? 1 minute. This minus and this plus, we multiply also. Minus plus is minus. And 5, what's are 20? 5 4s are 20. Right? And as I told you earlier as well in my previous video, that when we have two same common bracket, it means our product is perfect, right? So c minus 4, now you need to factorize c minus 4 and c minus 5, right? This is the answer. Okay, let's solve another question. Here, again, multiply first and the last digit along with the sign, plus 28 d square. You need to find out the product. When you multiply, you get 28, and when you add them, you get 16. But be careful, here in the middle we have a negative sign. So both the factors come in negatives, right? Okay, so 16. Let's check it 2 times table. 2, what's are 28? 2 14s are 28, right? So I'm taking 2, and when we add them, it gives you 16. So simple. We take 2 and 14, right? And distribution of variable is 1d here, and the another d will be there. And the sum will be minus 2d and minus 14d. Okay, and we add that, it gives you minus 16d. And when we multiply, it gives you plus 28d square. Okay, let's solve them. This is my working part. Okay, so first and the last digit remain as it is. Now split this minus 16d into minus 2d and minus 14d. Okay, next step, make pairs. First 2 and last 2. Highest common factor from these two terms, d is common, d left inside, and and from 2d cancel 1d, left with only 2. Minus 14 and 28, highest common factor, not common factor, right? 14 will take, and then d left, this minus sign and this plus sign. I'm talking about these two signs. It will be minus, and d 14 was a 28, 42. So now we have two same brackets, write down d minus 2 one time, and the numbers, or you can say highest common factors which are outside the bracket, close them in the other round bracket. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, next question. Next question here, again, same procedure, multiply first and the last, right? We'll get minus, this is different type of a question. Minus 16, why minus? Because here it's plus, and there with 16 is one negative sign. Okay, now you need product, two products. When you multiply, you will get minus 16. Now, what we need to do here, we need 6, right? We need plus 6. Be careful, student, you need plus 6 here. So 16, what are the factors of 16? Let's check with the least table, which is 2. 2 8s are 16. So 2 and 8, when we minus, it gives you 6. Perfect. So we have found the factors 2 and 8. Okay, you need to minus it. Okay, you need to minus it. It's a minus. Now there are two numbers, right? There are two factors. You need to check the question, the middle number. What sign is included with 6f? 6f have positive sign, right? So in your factors, check which one is bigger. 2 is bigger or 8 is bigger? 8 is bigger. So 8 will take plus sign, right? And 2 will take a minus sign. So it means, what is your prior sign? The prior sign is positive. Whatever the sign in the middle, that sign is supposed to come with the bigger number, right? Now, when we multiply 2 times 8, it gives you 16. F squared, one f here, another f there, right? And we find out the sum, the difference. So here we need to find out the difference, because minus versus minus. So 8f minus 2f gives you plus 6f. Why positive 6f? Because bigger number sign, right? So now we have found it. Now split f squared, sorry, 6f. Write down first term and the last term as it is. Okay, now split this plus 6f into minus 2f and plus 8. I know the video will become too big, but it's very important to check each and every question, right? Now, f, make a pair. So f is common between these two first two pairs. So f plus 2, right? Now, plus 8 and 16. What is the highest common factor between 8 and 16? 8 is the highest common factor, okay? So 8 and 8 cancel, we left with f plus minus minus, and 8 what's our 16? 8 2s are 16. I made one mistake. What is a mistake? It's we have found it minus 2f. See here, it's minus 2f. Mistakenly, I put a plus here. My bad. Okay. Now, two common brackets. Okay. So sometimes if you won't get two same bracket, it means there is some problems in the sign in the working. Okay. So be careful, students, that you people are self-checker for your own solution, right? So f minus 2 one time and f plus 8. This is the answer. Okay. Now let's solve another question. We are on the fourth one. 6 more questions coming up. Okay. Now, first multiply first and last, we get minus 120 h squared. Okay, you need two factors. When you multiply, we will get 120, and we will minus, we get 2. So check 2, 10, right? 10. 10, what's the 120? 10 12s are 120, am I right? 10 12s are 120. Okay, so now we need to minus it, right? It's minus 120, we need to minus it, but here it's plus 2h. So which one is your biggest number? 12. So 12 will take plus sign and 10 will take minus sign, right? And distribution of variables, one h here and the another h will be there. Okay, so the difference that you people have found it like minus 10h plus 12h. Okay, these are the factors that you need to write down instead of plus 2h in the question. Okay, so here h squared first and last comes as it is. Now write down this in the middle, minus 10h plus 12h. Okay, now what we need to do? Come on, students, tell me what we need to do. We need to make pairs, first two terms and the last two terms. Now check what is the highest common factor between h squared minus 10h. H is the highest common factor, so we left with 1h minus h cancel 10 plus 12 and 120. 12 is the highest common factor. Okay, we don't need to take common factor, we need to take highest common factor. H left plus minus minus, and 12 what's a 120? 12 10s are 120. Both the brackets are same. It means you found the correct factors, right? So 8 minus 10 one time. So h minus 10 one time, h plus 12. Okay, so this is the answer, right? Now next, fifth one, the last one, 10th one is totally different. Okay, now here k square minus 12k. When we multiply, it gives you minus 12k square. Now we need two factors. When we multiply, you get minus 12, right? Minus sign here. So when we minus it, we'll get 4. So check with 2. 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 6 are 12. When we minus 2 from 6, we'll get 4. Oh, we have found the factors. 2 6 are 12. Okay, and sign, see here it's a minus sign, and here's also a minus sign. It means that you know the rules now. One is a plus minus, gives you minus, and another one is minus plus, gives you minus, right? So which sign will come with which number? See, the prior sign here, it's minus. So which one is the biggest number? 6 is the biggest number. So minus sign will come here and plus sign will come with the smallest number, right? It means you need to check the prior sign, the middle number sign. Now distribution of variables, one k will come here and the another k will come there. When we multiply, you will get 6 2s are 12k square minus 12 square. And when we find out the difference, the sum here, difference, sorry, not sum. So it gives you plus 2k minus 6k. So plus minus minus, 6 minus 2 gives you 4k. And bigger number sign. See, we have found the middle term. Now split this middle term into these two factors. Okay, this is my working. So how to solve it? K square and minus 12. First and last, write down as it is. Now plus 2k minus 6k. Make pairs. Is k common? K inside. Why k inside? Because k squared and k we are dividing it. And here also we need to divide. So k cancel, we're left with 2 minus. Here it's a minus sign. So here also minus sign will come. 6 and 12. What is the highest common factor? Come on, students, tell me. 6. K plus minus minus 6 to the 12. Do something wrong here? Yes. What mistake that I have done here? Come on, student, tell me. Minus and this minus is plus. See, you people will do this mistakes as well, right? So be careful and focus when you people watch this video, okay? So k plus 2 and k minus 6. Answer. Okay. The sixth one. Okay, multiply. Now, see, this question is totally different. In previous questions, we don't have any coefficient, but here we have a coefficient. So 7 multiplied by 3 gives you 21, and then n square, and sign is plus. So all have plus plus sign. It's so easy, right? So when you multiply, you get 21, and when you add, you get 10. So 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. So here plus sign, and there also plus sign, n here and n here. So when we add them, we will get 3n and 7n with plus sign. Now how to solve it? 3n square come as it is, plus 7. I mean, first and the last digit will come as it is, okay? And split this plus 10 into plus 3n and plus 7n, right? Then what we need to do? Here, pairs, now highest common factor. Here, 3n is the highest common factor. N square, from n square, n cancel, 1n left, 3 cancel, plus 3n and 3n cancel, we left with 1, right? Plus 7 is the highest common factor because 7 is here and 7 is there, and there is no n, so 7n is not the common factor. So 7 cancel, n plus 1. See, both the brackets are same, right? So n plus 1 and 3n plus 7. Got it? 3n plus 7 means this one and that one, right? Okay. Number 7. Number 7, again, multiply 4 with 3 gives you 12p square. We need to find out two products. When you multiply, you get 12. When you add, you get 8. Check with 2 times. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. When we add 6 7 8. Yes, we have found. 2 6 are 12. 1p here, p another there. Plus sign. Here's also plus sign. Plus sign. Now, what we need to do, write down 4p square. 3. Split this plus 8p into plus 2p and plus 6p. Okay, make pairs. What is the highest common factor between 4 and 2? 2 and p common. So 2 words are 4, 2 twos are 4, p squared, p cancel, left with p. 2p cancel, we'll get 1. Basically, again, I'm repeating myself, this highest common factor divide with each and every term, right? Plus 6 and 3, highest common factor 3. 3 words are 6, 2, p left, plus 3 and 3 cancel, right? 3 and 3 cancel, left with 1. Both the brackets are same? Yes, both the brackets are same. So 2p plus 1 and then 2p plus 3. This is the answer. Okay, let's check another one. Okay, now this one, 9th one and the 10th one. The 10th one is different. Okay, so can you people do 8 and 9 by yourself, right? And give me the answer in the comment box. Okay, then I will check and I will definitely reply to you. Okay, now let's solve the 10th one. The 10th one here, procedure is same. Okay, multiply 4b square with a square. Here coefficient is 1. It gives you minus 4a square and b square, right? Now you need two factors. When you multiply, you will get 4. Okay, so and when we do minus, you will get 3. Yes, what we need to do? 2 twos are 4. No, I want 3. No. 3 times 4 doesn't come. 4 times. Okay, 4 ones are 4. Yes, 4 ones are 4. When we minus it, we'll get 3. Okay, we have found the factors. 4 ones are 4. Okay, so 1 means A and B. Right now, let's the sign. Prior sign here, it's plus. Which one is biggest number? 4. Plus sign here, 1 will get minus sign. It's A squared and B squared. So give one AB here and AB there. Okay, we have found two factors. Now, A square and minus 4B square. First and last, write down and split this plus 3AB into 4AB and then minus, don't write 1, okay? AB itself means 1. Make pairs. What is common? A is common only. So from A square, A left plus 4B. Why not A? Because A and A cancelled. Close bracket. Minus B is common. Okay, so minus minus plus. Here will be plus. Okay, oh, sorry. What I have done? Okay, okay. Plus sign b minus minus plus, and from b squared b cancel, we left with b and 4. Now same two brackets are same, write down one time, and then this a and minus b write down in the another bracket. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, let's check the practice questions. There are 5 practice questions. There are more 5 practice questions here, right, for your class test practice, right? You need to do all these 15 questions. Okay, students. Thank you for watching.